My name is Tabitha. I work here at UIRI I started as a technician, but right now my title was upgraded to mechanical engineer because I first pursued a diploma in mechanical engineering. Then I went ahead and did a bachelor's degree in industrial engineering and management. And mainly I loved the engineering side, but I had a specific field which I didn't get, but mechanical was also in line with what I wanted. And through talking to different people, different mentors, elder people, I was inspired to go ahead and do mechanical engineering. I have found it quite interesting. At first, there were questions in my mind: what does mechanical look like? How does the field look like? Because in my mind there were vehicles, then going under vehicles, how to repair. But then, when I joined the field, I saw the different categories of what a mechanical person can do. And so far my experience with mechanical engineering, I do operate machines. I work on different complex parts, easy parts, and the most interesting thing is that looking at a part, when you do not know how you're going to work it out up to the end, but then you see that, you find that you've managed to do it, and that alone brings joy to my heart. I've managed to do this. So it gives me a mind to think about more things. How can I do this? Whatever I see, how can I do it? How can I do it? And that has helped me to gain more experience with how to handle different parts, how to machine different parts, how to put different parts together, especially metal parts in terms of building different machines, different components, different setups. It's quite an interesting journey because, technology keeps advancing every day and every time. And each time you see something new, it's really inspiring. And knowing that I can handle or getting the training and you see yourself at a different level. For example, initially at school we trained on conventional machines, but as time has been moving on, we've gotten a new facility that has introduced us to new technology like the CNC machining. We used to see it on Google, but now it's a hands-on thing for us, and interacting with engineers from different countries, from different fields, you get to understand how the real field is. For me as a person, it hasn't really been so challenging, but let me put it this way. There are times when people had to go to the field and you do not know what happens in the field, and you would wish maybe I could go one day, but then there is that phobia of me being a woman, maybe it is male people to go. And another issue is sometimes the work is quite heavy, and as a woman you can't manage. You just have to work around with your male counterparts to get something done. I would see as a challenge maybe is when you have to maybe take a leave, especially now that I got married. You have to take some time off from work, which is not on the other side of our male counterparts, and sometimes certain things can pass by. Sometimes certain job opportunities can pass by because of the heaviness of the work, but still we embrace what we can manage as women. As I went through school, especially training as an engineer, I had a lecturer who supervised my project. It was a lady, and she had higher knowledge, and I really admired her. That's why I kept around her, my supervisor. I had questions for her, and I managed to get over my project with a very good grade. And this lady is Madam Maureen Tabitha at Chamberlain University. That is just one of them, but behind the scenes there are many other ladies. As we've gone through conferences concerning women in engineering, I've come to interact with several ladies, whereby someone speaks and you see the real possibility of what the field is and how you can go through with ease without any difficulties. Actually, for women, it is a big privilege to even be in engineering, because as compared to men, women have more precision, they have more concentration, especially while working with more complex machines. So it's a great opportunity for ladies, especially in this era, because women are required so much to operate such kinds of machines, which is opposed to the previous ages. And right now you'll find that there are so many women handling our kind of work, which is more sophisticated and complicated as compared to the male side. So it's a privilege for every woman who wants to attain knowledge and skill in the field of engineering. It's a great opportunity, and the door is wide open for all women who are interested. Like every other person, it's how you use your potential to get what you want to get out of what is within, how to put it out and to get what you want out of it. It's still you. You're the first counselor with yourself. So for any lady who would like to pursue science and technology and engineering and in all that line, it is your heart that you have to commit to it. It is what you give it that it will come out with. We used to have that perception that, engineering is for men, it's not possible, it's quite hard, but nothing is hard as long as you put your heart to it, as long as you accept to take it up. What is impossible is what you have not studied, is what you have not given your heart to. But what you want, you always get what you want if you put your heart to it. On behalf of women in engineering and all women at UIRI, I would like to wish everyone a happy Women's Day.